Bitch, don't
You know who the fuck I am, bitch. Nobody in the
You know who the fuck I am, bitch. Matter of fact, you not even allowed in my city.
Bitch, you are your bum.
Ain't no claim me like a little girl, I'm a boss from the east, but send blitz from the south. If I had a dick, it'll be in your mouth. Just to hang with the gang, you wouldn't pay what it costs. Now if I get you gone, they gon' say it's my fault. But fuck that, I'm tryna knock a bitch out. Make a bitch get on her knees for fucking running her mouth. If I smell it, this I'm calling it out. You love talking money, but don't pull it out. See, bitches like you need to clean out your mouth. Y'all some hating ass bitches and I'm calling you out. It's funny bitches all of a sudden wanna diss me. Don't forget, I'm that same bitch you was chillin' with on the east. Matter of fact, you and your whole clique some groupies. All y'all bitches talking shit but really wanna do me. Bum hoes confused on if they wanna be my friend or wanna screw me. All that talking on the net gon' get your ass clapped, stupid. Now run that shit like CB, since you want something. Run up on me, I guarantee I get the blessing. Now bad cause you woke up a monster. Dropping body after body, I got a fucking problem.
Say I'm your problem. Well, come do something about it, bitch. Not a thing you can do, cause I'm the motherfucking problem solver, bitch.
For sure.
Sick of y'all hating ass bitches.
Y'all gon' learn to shut the fuck up when I get to shitting. All you punk hoes look up to me, ain't no competition. Ain't none you bitches on my level rhyme like this. They hate how I come through lyrical with rhymes like this. The subliminals, stop that shit. You not about that shit. I put all you bitches on and it's the thanks I get. I can really help your bum ass write a hit. Instead y'all wanna diss. I swear these bitches hit like a tipper and love talking shit. That's why I don't fuck with them. And for that bitch who with some balls finally came up off the bleacher. I got them screenshots in my phone when you bet me for a feature, bitch. Don't forget you was in my snap and your nigga was too. I bust on anybody, fuck you and your bum ass crew. Cook a bitch like some ramen, leave her noodles on the concrete. Send a bitch to a maker, this ain't no marmalade, bitch. And for the record, let's set something straight. Ain't never been number 2, always ate off my own plate. For sure. You dissing me on IG claiming that you don't like me. How you don't know? You don't even know me. It's highly unlikely. Draco did me the talk of this bitch. Finna go drop some ice so my neck is some shit. For sure. I ain't never been a bum bitch, got this shit on my own. I don't move like no puppet, bitch, leave me alone. Hey, raise your hand if you hate me.
Raise your hand, bitch.
Raise your hand if you hate
Tell your
me.
friend, raise her hand, bitch.
Dumbass bitch. Sick of you off ass bitches. Always on the bandwagon. Bitch, you not having, you not pretty, you not classy. If I was you, I'd be mad too. In 2 months, I did what the fuck you couldn't do. Racked up on YouTube views, bitch. In every city they booking me, bitch. Ain't asked for a feature yet. Cause with this music shit, bitch, you look up to me. You know what it was when you mentioned my name, bitch. But thought shit was sweet. Shit ain't no game, bitch. Go ahead and pick up that pen, get your friends, do whatever the fuck you gotta do. Cause, bitch, I just got motherfucking started and I ain't stopping, bitch. Now that's how the fuck